Hey everybody, Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich here. It's a Memorial Day weekend and it's Sunday. We've got a big race at Charlotte Motorspeedway, so I'm going to focus on the racetrack today for folks that'll be watching the Coca-Cola 600, but also for anybody on the area lakes or doing activities outside this weekend. You're going to have to deal with some pop-up showers and storms. Right now, it's absolutely beautiful. It is hot. Temperatures are in the mid 80s. In fact, let me throw on the temperatures right now. And it is toasty out there. We've got temperatures generally in the low and mid 80s already, and it's just approaching noontime. Dew points are in the mid to upper 60s. It's incredibly sticky across the Carolinas. This is a very hot and humid air mass that we're dealing with. And that hot and humid air mass is going to lead to some afternoon thunderstorms, which is what I'm going to talk about now, because that is going to cause us probably the potential for some pretty good thunderstorms as we go into the afternoon. So let's go through time. We'll start this at noon and we're going to go by 2 o'clock. We see thunderstorms popping up in the mountains at typical ridgetop. This is just classic summertime setup here. The pop-up thunderstorms on the ridgetops drifting to the east, but also we've got an old frontal boundary here. So notice around the Charlotte area and notice the time right up here. You're going to see the time of the guidance there. 4:15, we start to see pop-up storms here, but pretty good storms developing up in the mountains. Let's go through time. And again, the Charlotte Motor Speedway, where's it at? Right there. So right at 6:18, we've got a pop-up thunderstorm right over the speedway, it looks like. Now, it's probably not going to be there. This is a model, remember? But you can see there's going to be scattered storms. So someone asked me about the race today. I said, hey, it's really going to be about just bad luck and watching the radar, because part of the thing is this is the longest race of the year. It's easy to have a pop-up thunderstorm affect it because it's just got a bigger window or opportunity for it to be impacted by these pop-up storms. So this is right around 6:18. We'll go to 7:20. You could see by 8:20, we've got some pop-up storms, and then they become a little more robust, I think, late evening. So if one thing I would say, as we get later in the evening, the chances of rain are going to go up. So get outside, get your stuff done now. And for the race, I think we'll probably get it in, but I have a tough time thinking we're going to get all 600 miles in without, at some point, a shower or thunderstorm. So there's a loop, and I'm going to zoom in on the track. Right there. As you can see the speedway right there. I have the imagery turned on. So there's the speedway right there. So you'll see, yep. And if you look at the timing, it looks right about there, like 7 o'clock. Let me back this up. The worst of it's like right there. So 7 o'clock, I mean 6:45, 7 o'clock. So yeah, we're going to be dealing with some pop-up storms. We actually have a backdoor cold front that's going to slide down here and help enhance this. So just get ready. We're going to be dealing with these pop-up storms between about 4 p.m. and about 9 p.m. So that's the time frame we're looking at. Have a safe and good Sunday, and I hope we get the whole race in, but I have a bad feeling we're going to be dodging a few raindrops.